Yeah, guys, I just got to Wli Falls, home sweet home. This is my third time coming here. Guys. So my first time I did the upper waterfalls. Second time I just did the down, and this one also I'm just doing the down. They haven't been here, so I just have to tag along and do the walk. So let's go. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna be fun though. Let's go.
The first bridge. That's the next question. I'm going to show some of what happened. The first bridge is a river from Togo, strike out, enter Ghana. We are in border. So from the border post to Togo, it's just 5 minutes walk to Togo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this river starts down and then you walk down and join the first river, circulating around before move straight to River Volta.
Okay.
So the name of the Togo River is called River Nubi. N-U-B-U-I, River Nubi from Togo.
So this particular river is...
So that's 30th June last year, also I was telling you, that's our normally bridge. Before we realized, as I told you, day and night it was raining. Day and night people are waiting in our hotels. We have about 9 hotels in town. Before the water degree, you don't see pieces of the bridge.
Wow.
Remaining only these ones. Move it away. There's some broken ones are there inside. So now it gives us an idea of intelligent movement. So we raise it.
Okay.
If you can see that one is just mini one.
Yeah.
So we raise it. So River Nubi is a very strong river.
River.
Yeah, River Nubi. So the 8th all we are going to cross is the first river called River Agumatsa.
Guys, I told you, a lot has changed. This is broken. Oh my goodness. This used to be like a storeroom.